Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you all my recipe how I prepare kharwas. So let's get started. I have taken half a cup of normal milk. This is not boiled. 2 cups of kharwas milk, or which is also called as cholostrum milk, and the same quantity of the normal milk, that is half a cup of grated jaggery. So if you take 250 ml of kharwas milk, then you'll require only 1/4 cup of normal milk and 1/4 cup of jaggery. Guys, please stick to the measurements and your kharwas will never fail. Stir until the jaggery melts completely. I make kharwas in idli maker, but you can also use a pressure cooker. I've poured some water in this idli maker. I've placed a stand in it. I've covered it, and now I'll wait for the water to boil. Till then, I'll make sure all the jaggery is melted properly in this milk. I'll go ahead and I'll strain the milk. Adding cardamom powder and saffron strands is completely optional. So here I have added only the saffron strands. I never use cardamom because my entire family just doesn't like the taste of it. So the water was already boiling. Then I went ahead and kept this container in the idli maker. I made sure that the container is covered with a lid. Then I covered the idli maker and I set a timer for 20 minutes. So after 20 minutes, go ahead and switch off the flame, remove both the lids, take out the container, keep it on the counter and let it cool completely. After 20 minutes, your kharwas is going to look just like this. And don't worry about the water on the top because it's going to settle in after some time. And even if you don't see the water, you're still good. Insert the toothpick in the center of kharwas and it should come out clean. Once the container is cool completely, go ahead and cut the kharwas into the desired shape. And as usual, the taste test was done by my 11-year-old, and here's what she has to say about it.
Hello everybody! Here are my thoughts on my mom's kharwas. Well, first off, star ratings. I give it a 4.8 stars out of 5. I'm just kidding. It's 5 stars. It's amazing. I love it. I love the texture. It's nice and squishy. And yeah, it's really good. Whenever my mom cooks this, I always like to sit on the counter and watch her. And actually, the entire family loves this kharwas. The best part about it is that when you put your spoon into it, it's really soft and jiggly. It's healthy and, well, yeah, I love it. So if you're new to this channel, be sure to subscribe, share, and comment. And yeah, that's basically it. And, oh hey, that's me eating kharwas. Yum, that looks so good. Don't you want some? That's me giving this a thumbs up. And why don't you give this video a thumbs up? Bye!
Oh yeah, I surely have a crazy one at home. That's it about today's video. Please do not forget to like, share, comment, and if you are new to the channel, please do not forget to subscribe. Stay home, stay safe. Bye-bye.